In case you're considering around buying a yurt, whether for a changeless domestic, a excursion withdrawal, or a special living space, understanding the fetched is a basic step. Yurts are picking up ubiquity for their reasonableness, eco-friendliness, and interesting plan, but how much can you anticipate to pay? Here's a breakdown of what variables impact the fetched of a yurt and how to arrange your budget in like manner. Step 1. Consider the estimate of the yurt. The measure of the yurt is the essential calculate affecting its fetched. Yurts can extend in measure from little, essential structures to bigger, more expound ones. A little yurt that's around 12 to 16 feet in breadth may take in a toll any place from $5,000 to $10,000, whereas a bigger yurt that's 20 to 30 feet in distance across may fetch upwards of $15,000 to $30,000 or more. The greater the yurt, the more materials and labor it'll require, raising the cost. Step 2. Materials and customizations. The materials utilized in building the yurt can enormously influence the cost. Conventional yurts ordinarily utilize wood, felt, and canvas, but present-day yurts may incorporate Protects dividers, energy-efficient windows, and more tough textures. Customizations such as bay windows, flooring, extra windows, and separator will include to the fetched. In the event that you need a yurt that's completely prepared with electrical wiring, plumbing, and a high-end insides wrap-up, the costs can go well over $50,000. Step 3. Area and conveyance costs. The area where you arrange to introduce the yurt can too impact its by and large fetched. On the off chance that you're obtaining from a neighborhood producer, you'll spare on conveyance costs. In any case, on the off chance that you're buying a yurt from a universal provider or a removed area, shipping can be a critical extra cost. Conveyance and establishment expenses, which can run from $1,000 to $5,000 depending on remove, ought to moreover be figured into your add up to take in a toll. Step 4. Extra costs for arrive and licenses. In expansion to the take in a toll of the yurt itself, you would like to consider arrive costs, in case you don't as of now have a property, and any licenses required to introduce the yurt on your property. Allowing and zoning directions shift by area, so it's vital to check together with your neighborhood government. Arrive planning, such as leveling the ground and including an establishment, can include another $5,000 to $10,000 to the entire fetched.